Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. This video continuation of previous video, that is drone related stocks part 2. Look at the returns of this company. 3 year 225%, 1 year 150%, year to date 129%, 3 month 116%, 1 month 21.96% of returns. The name of company is Zen Technologies Limited. Market capital of this company is 1640 crore. Face value of 1, book value 26.49. Dividend yield 0.05%. Zen Technology Limited incorporated in 1993. Zen Technologies Limited design, develop and manufacturing state-of-the-art compact training solution for the training of defense and security force worldwide. Zen Technology is publicly listed on Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Zen Technologies headquarters in Hyderabad. Zen Technologies also has business development office in Washington DC, United States of America. Zen Technologies produce over 40 different live fire, live instrumented, virtual and constructive training system to support individual and collective training capabilities. With over 100 training systems shipped around the world, Zen Technology is a proven leader in building training system for development and measuring compact readiness. Zen Technology is built on strong R&D capabilities and has filed or received over 90 patents. Anti-drone system from Zen Technology works on drone detection, classification and tracking and passive surveillance, camera sensors, and the neutralization of the threat through the jamming the drone communication. Zen anti-drone system counter unmanned aerial system is multi-layer, multi-sensor architecture aimed at providing comprehensive security against drone attack. Heavy lift logistics drones from Zen Technologies offer the most advanced capabilities to fulfill the role of providing reliable logistics support in typically challenging environment and even in compact situation in the face of the enemy. Zen Technologies drone specialized in the following reasons: manual takeoff, pilot takeoff the drone after delivery of load, auto takeoff, drone automatically take off after pre-programmed delay, remote button, program continuation of mission also included in the drones. In this drone, altitude 4,500 meter and ascent of 1,000 meter with full load. Wind condition with 30 to 40 kilometer or level 5 on the Beaufort scale. Zen agility can operate in light rain and snow. With full automated function, Zen drones can function despite dense fog. Zen drones operate by night with night camera and autonomous mode. Clients of Zen Technologies: Armed Force Regiment, Armed Training Academy, Special Forces, Armed Forces, Indian Army, Indian Coast Guard, Brigade of the Guards. The company informed exchanges that its order book had witnessed a significant surge, uh, rupees 4 billion as on 1 September 2021, as against an order book of 1.9 billion on 30 June 2021. The company is almost debt free. In its last annual report, the company said India is targeting to export military equipment worth USD 5 billion in the next 5 years. With this, Gentech exports will accelerate. The company also focusing on large export opportunity within the Middle East, CIS, and Africa. It dedicating as a core team to purchase business opportunity in the USA and other friendly countries. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 60.19%, public having 39.81%. Look at the revenue of this company. In 2016, 52 crore. In 2017, 61 crore. In 2019, 92 crore. In 2020, 149 crore. In 2021, 54 crore. Look at the net profit. In 2016, 2 crore. In 2017, 7 crore. In 2019, 13 crore. In 2020, 58 crore. 2021, 2 crore. Last year is a very good year for the company because net profit increased 4 to 5 times. Now the stock trading around 202 210 rupees. 52-week high of the stock is 237. 52-week low is 66.80 rupees. In monthly chart, we see last 1 month it took to 100 to 200. It has very potential stock in future to become a multi-bagger because they are providing products to Indian military and armed force. Indian government already concerned about border crisis, so they will allocated money in budget. So this company have a very good future. Look at the returns of next company is 3 year 1057 percentage, 1 year 689 percentage, year to date 525 percentage, 3 month minus 13 percentage. The name of company is Rattan India Enterprises. Market capital of this company is 5,840 crore. Face value to book value 0.61. Rattan India Enterprises Limited is a flagship company of Rattan India Group for its new age growth business. The company is focused on business with cutting edge technologies which have the potential to transform the lives of billion plus Indians. In this direction, company have forwarded into electric mobility space throughout Revelant Motors to democratize clean commute using next generation mobility solutions. The company is completely focused on providing world-class electric mobility products which are affordable and accessible to every Indian. Revolt Motors is a next-generation mobility company created for the smart world, with the technology at its roots and a class apart products in the works. Revolt is soon going to introduce India's first AI-enabled motorcycle without compromising on the performance or aesthetics of the regular ride. The batteries using in Revolt motors have been certified as a waterproof, damage-proof, shock-proof, and all-weather friendly according to the AIA standard. It is the power which power Revolt. AI involves feeding data set into the machine to create self-learning pattern, thus enabling cognitive function with the thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making tasks that historically required human intelligence. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 74.75 percentage, FIIs 8.69 percentage, and public 16.57 percentage. Financial of this company is not enough to show, but last quarter they show 1 crore as a revenue. Now the stock trading around 43 to 45 range. 52-week high of the stock is 71 and the 52-week low is 4.55. We analyzed 4 drone involving industries company stocks, but all of those about 200 rupees. But this is very cheap, 40 to 45. This will be very helpful for penny investors. They will buy as much as possible they want. Definitely in future this stock will give impact in market. So add this stock to your watch list and also portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting us. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. See you soon.